Oh, really?
Walk.
So then you went back to like here, tap, here, tap. Cool.
And I helped her with the line there, and then she got to me or ordered her.
Okay. ¿De coincidencia trajiste juguete para él? No. Ok, creo que tenemos en el carro. Él ocupa juguete.
Pero vamos a ir a downtown, ¿no?
Yo sé.
Ok. ¿Quieres que juegue aquí o en downtown?
Bueno, cualquier lado. Bueno, no tienes que jugar acá, solo cuando esté la dueña. So we have Hulky and Mr. Kevin. It's gonna be 2 dogs. Ollie here. Ollie here. Ollie here. Ollie here. Come here. Sorry, buddy. Yes, my boy. Come here. Come here. Ollie here. Ollie here. Come here. Oh. Jeezy, man. Goodness gracious. Yeah. That could be. That could be it.
He didn't react.
Yeah.
I didn't get a chance.
Hulky's like, I'm so good. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Kevin's the one. But I mean, Kevin just reacted back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was not.
I don't think he was actually gonna react. There you go. A second chance. Very nice. Much better.